Assalamualaikum. In this video we will see that how we will update the weapon amount, and for that purpose you can see that in the weapon changer script we can add a variable, and we will add a private game object choose panel, so that initially we want to we want to find this choose panel, and if choose panel is disabled then only we can shoot. Okay, in the start function we will add this choose panel. Also we will initiate the ammo amounts, so you can see that we can create ammo amounts 0 equal to 60. So for the first weapon we are actually using 60 bullets, and then for second weapon we have 0 bullets, and for the third weapon we have 0 bullets. Then after this we have we will add the ammo amount, and we will get the ammo amount text equal to ammo amounts 0 dot to string. So that will be the thing. After that we will come here and we will in the update function we will actually add the ammo amounts weapon number minus. So when we click on left click, then we want to minus the weapon amount. Also we will add one more condition here, so that if choose panel is active in hierarchy, then we can't shoot, otherwise we should shoot. Okay, and also add a condition here as well. So our amount, if the amount is greater than 0 ammo amount, then only we can shoot. Okay, so also we will update the text value with the ammo amount and weapon number. We will create a public function here for update pickup, and with this function we will update the ammo amounts when we will pick up a gun. Okay, and this line of code we will make it comment, because we are actually getting the same ref from other code, so no need for this. So now in the weapon add a public int ammo fill amount, and we will just add a 60 ammos to the first weapon type 1. Okay, and then we are actually triggering the amount. So here you can see that when we will collect the weapon, then we will actually add these two lines: other dot get component of weapon changer, ammo amount weapon type -1, and plus equal to ammo refill amount. So ammo refill amount will be added to the ammo to our gun. Okay, so that's the code, and I have just selected the this canvas and waiting BG, and for this I just used one player in the room, so that we can check within the Unity editor, and later on we will build the game and we will test it out after build. But now if we go to the scenes and main scenes, I have created 3 scenes actually: kill count, no respawn, team battle. I will tell you why we have did that in a while. So now we can enter, and let's go to any scene, kill count, and now you can see we have a null exception error. So what is the error? Okay, respawn panel set active false. It is in the player movement. Okay, so what is the issue? If we go to the player, then on the player movement, then what is the problem? Yeah, actually canvas was disabled in this scene. That was the problem. I just disabled this canvas recently, maybe that's why. So we can just go to the scenes again, and now let's play the main menu. Okay, so now we are in game, and you can see that we can shoot, and the gun has 15 ammos initially, because I have typed the 20 weapons, 20 ammo for the first gun, 12 for the second, then for the third. And if we go to collect a weapon, you can see this weapon has now 60 more bullets. Okay, so yeah, that's great, everything working fine, and next we'll move further. Goodbye.